Understanding, shave off the edges. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, shave off the edges. This expression is a vivid metaphor that can add nuance to your conversations and writings. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to help you incorporate it into your English language arsenal. The phrase, shave off the edges, refers to making minor adjustments or modifications to something to make it more acceptable, palatable, or perfect. It's about removing the rough, unnecessary, or undesirable parts of something. Imagine a carpenter shaving off tiny pieces of wood to make a piece fit perfectly. This visual can help you understand the essence of the phrase. Using shave off the edges in your speech or writing can add depth to your messages. It's often used in contexts where there's a need to refine or improve something by removing its flaws. For example, in a business setting, a team might need to shave off the edges of a project proposal to ensure it meets all client requirements. Here are a few tips for using it correctly. Ensure the context involves improvement or refinement. Use it when talking about making small, precise changes, not overhauling something entirely. It can be used both in a literal sense, like in carpentry, and figuratively, like refining an idea. To help you better understand how to use shave off the edges, here are some examples. After reviewing the prototype, we realized we needed to shave off the edges before the final release. The editor helped shave off the edges of my manuscript, making it ready for publication. To fit into the new role, he had to shave off the edges of his approach to work. I hope this video has helped you grasp the meaning and usage of shave off the edges. It's a powerful phrase that can help you describe the process of refinement and improvement in a variety of contexts. Remember, learning such expressions can greatly enhance your fluency and ability to express nuanced ideas in English. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to shave off the edges of your English skills to make them perfect. See you in the next video.